Let me congratulate the GHTA and the Jamaica Tourist Board for once again bringing together some of our most vital tourism partners for Japex 2013. The growing interest in and attendance at Japex of this number of international delegates not only underscores the fact that Japex remains a vital institution for our tourism sector, but is also proof of the attractiveness of our tourism product and the strength of brand Jamaica. I am particularly pleased to be able to welcome the large number of delegates from Latin America, as well as Europe, including representatives from countries such as Russia, Poland, Slovakia, Hungary, Ireland, and the Czech Republic.
The single most important business generator for Jamaica's tourism industry, the Jamaica Product Exchange, Japex. The trade show, which began 23 years ago, is a collaborative effort between the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, the JHTA, and the Jamaica Tourist Board, the JTB. The travel show is supported by Jamaican organizations involved in the development, promotion, and sale of the island's tourism product. Japex 2013, held April 23 to 30 at the Montego Bay Convention Center in St. James, was one of the most impressive in recent years. The two-day trade show brought wholesalers and tour operators face-to-face with close to 150 of Jamaica's leading tourism suppliers to conduct business negotiations.
No, you cannot survive in Jamaica without your travel partners, and this is where we have lots of meetings, lots of contracts being signed.
The opportunities are tremendous. We do have our local suppliers are really doing a lot to build on the quality of the products. We have a lot of good products locally. We have opportunities, and we really want Jamaicans, whether it is in the hospitality sector, supermarkets, wherever they are, to continue to purchase from our local suppliers.
The Jamaica Product Exchange, Japex, a world of business opportunities, all in one place.